good morning to all mula rito sa Marikina City para po sa all girls, all women Sepak Takraw tournament hosted by the Pilipinas Sepak Takraw Federation. With me, the Iron Lady of Philippine Sports, no other than the President of PSTF, Miss Karen Caballero. Welcome to Sports Corner. Welcome back. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Hello, Sports Corner. Hello, Gab. Thank you for making it this morning.
Oo, at binuti ko kasi na pumunta ng maaga para lang pumunta dito sa mismong event. But first of all, kamusta na po kayo? Kamusta sa Sepak Takraw community? I know you're being busy right now because ngayong araw is stage natin itong all women and all girls Sepak Takraw. Not to mention also, we have been preparing for the palarong pambansa nga sa darating na May dyan po sa may Ilocos Norte. So, gano'n ba kabisi ngayon ang ating Sepak Takraw?
Very busy. I have been traveling around the country para sa grassroots program. Yan ang ating preparation. Kasi ang elite naman natin, very much in place na in preparation for Asian Cup sa Malaysia, King's Cup in Thailand, and of course Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand also by end of the year. Pero yung elite natin, tuloy-tuloy ang program, ang training caravan, at ang Philippine Sepak Takraw League for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao Regional itong June, July, at August ng taon.
By the way, bagitin natin yung venues ng PSTL sa Ilocos Norte, ang first leg.
Yes, pagkatapos ng palarong pambansa sa Ilocos Norte, ang Luzon Regionals for Philippine Sepak Takraw League Season 3.
Saan ito?
Sa Ilocos Norte, after ng palarong pambansa.
So, saan yun sa Visayas at Mindanao?
Sa Visayas, as confirmed, kausap ko lang si hardworking mayor ng Pasig City sa Iloilo. Ito po ay
Si Mayor Stephen, no?
Mayor Stephen Palmera ng Pasig City. So sa July, first week of July siya. At ang Mindanao Regional ay gagawin early August sa Agusan del Sur na host ng palarong pambansa ng 2026.
Okay, and bukod pa rito, the elite team has been strongly preparing for different competitions, lalo na World Championships, and ang pinakamahalaga, Southeast Asian Games,
Yes.
this coming December. So nakikita natin yung ating Sepak Takraw team sa Rizal Badminton,
Yes.
all na regular na nagtitraining, and they are really confident nga to actually aiming for a podium finish sa mga categories na paglalaruan nila. So what's your initial assessment nga pala sa training natin ng ating
Much recently lang kasi sila nakabalik, I think last week or third week of March. Pero very mataas ang moral ng ating team naman. We have a very young team. Nag-national tryout tayo last year, and we have a new generation of athletes na, pero meron din tayong from the previous years na nananalo consistently sa World Championship, SEA Games, Asian Games. Very upbeat at high moral nila, at we are so looking forward to a podium finish in our coming international games.
Okay, so let's focus on the tournament na kasalukuyan natin ginagawa. Nandito tayo na yun sa one day na all girls, all women Sepak Takraw League dito sa Marikina City. So I could confirm 13 teams, no? Ang kabilang natin from different parts of the country. Yung iba nga, collegiate teams, yung ilan.
May taga-Olonga po pa.
Mayroon mga taga Bulacan, Rizal, at iba pa. Yung ilan sa kanila maglalaro na for palarong pabansa, even though parang exhibition sport pa lang sa ngayon eh. So, what is your observations na pala dito sa ating ginaganap nitong tournament natin?
We have to give specific opportunities sa kababaihan, sa sports, sa amin, sa Sepak Takraw. It's an ever-growing community. Lumalakas ang mga takrawistang kababaihan na Pilipina. Kaya at least man lang one day in 1 year, we are specific to honor them with this one-day league sport na hopefully as the year progresses, each year, we can celebrate the Women's League in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Hindi lang dito sa Luzon.
By the way, ongoing ngayon yung ating first match between God's Warriors versus Bulacan. dito po sa ating liga. But of course, ang plano niyo yung tinutulak ay gawin nito isang regular event na sa either Philippine Sepak Takraw League o di kayo sa palarong pambansa. Do you think ito yata yung isa sa mga springboard para at least mas lalo makilala pa ang Sepak Takraw, lalo na sa mga kababaihan natin?
That's right, that's right. The more we consistently give opportunity na makalaro ang mga babaeng atleta, ang mga coaches na babae na makapag-lead ng kanilang mga teams through clubs, alam namin na kung tuloy-tuloy lang ang aming staging, an opportunity for them, mabibigyan ng magandang break ang mga kababaihan.
Idagdag na lang natin, we have also one awardee from the Women in Sports, and I'm referring to ayun, si Ma'am Abigail
Sinugbuan, ang team captain ng Pilipinas sa Kaptakan.
At mamaya natin kausapin yan. How do you proud sa inyo panibagong achievement ni Abigail?
I'm always proud of Filipinas athletes and sportswomen, and of course, much especially na isang takrawistang babae ay nabigyan ng citation in the much recent All Women in Sports Award ng PSA itong taon.
And bukod pa rito, mas maraming mga sporting, mga Pilipina athletes na namamayagpag ngayon. Kasi in the recent days, we have Alex Ayala, kung napanood natin yung ating tennis idol natin. Talaga naman nagawa niyang mapataob yung mga Grand Slam champions sa tennis dito sa Miyabi Open. And of course, siya talaga phenomenal talaga ang performance niya ni Alex. And not to mention, of course, ang ating mga Olympians sa pangunguna ni Aiden Diaz, Nesty Patesio, and Ira Villegas, who continuously make us proud and representing the country and representing the Pilipinas as well. Ika nga sa international stage, Ma'am Karen. Do you believe na sa pagdating ng panahon, mas marami tayong mga Pilipinas ang mag-uukit ng kasaysayan pa? Gaya ni Alex Ayala at yung mga nabanggit ko.
Alam mo, hindi ako nagugulat, Gab, sa pag-usbong ng atletang Pilipina in the world stage. Not to mention, we have Maggie Ochoa. And sila Kim ng Jiu-Jitsu.
Maggie Ochoa is also the Lifetime Achievement Award sa All Women in Sports.
Marami. There is so many Filipina athletes and sportswomen to mention. Hindi ako nagugulat dahil innately ang mga Pilipina ay matatapang, buwan loob, diba? So talagang, if we provide them continuous opportunity to flourish in their respective sports, like Alex Ayala na nag-umpisa sa pamilya niya at sinusuportahan siya, mga sponsors, sa Philippine sports in general, there is no reason for us not to see more of world-class Filipina athletes. Basta tayo, collectively, sa community ng sports, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagsuporta natin at pagbigay ng opportunity for them.
And bukod pa rito, nandyan pa rin yung mga programa ng ating Sepak Takraw Association. When it comes sa women's empowerment, and even
kung anong opportunity meron ang lalaki, rest assured, may kaaktiban na opportunity para sa kababaihang atleta ng Pilipinas Sepak.
And bukod pa rito, meron sa PSC, of course, sa Women in Sports, and of course,
right.
POC.
Thank you, PSC, for the support, Commissioner Bong, and Commissioner Walter. Thank you.
Nakasama natin si Kombong kahapon sa mismo opisina, nanonood din sa laban ni Alex.
Yes. Lahat tayo nag-unite kahapon. So talagang we are very proud of Alex. Maraming salamat. The best is yet to come. She's very young, diba? But she has shown so much promise. So we are very happy and proud of her achievement.
Alright, so Ma'am Karen, medyo limited time lang ako kasi I have to go to Rizal Memorial.
Thank you, Gab, for always supporting Takraw. Mahal na mahal ka ng Takraw dahil mahal mo kami.
And of course, batiin nyo na ating mga kasama natin.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng supporter ng Sports Corner. Sports Corner, si Gab, ang mga Philippine media ng sports. Sa mga fans, PSTL Season 3 is happening in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao with the National Championship. We are looking forward to your support and of course, the support ng Team Philippines sa kanilang 3 major international events this year that will end in Thailand for the Southeast Asian Games 2025.
And we're hoping for the continued success!
Sumakses at sa success malalo.
Oo.
Thank you, Gab.
Maraming salamat po and God bless and see you soon.
See you soon. Thank you, Gab.
you.